Hi, I'm Shad Goodsey, Executive Director of WellKind Guatemala, ONA. We're getting super excited for your visit, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you about what you can expect when you come down here to Lake Atitlan, Guatemala. WellKind Guatemala has been working for over 5 years supporting the indigenous Cachiquel Mayan communities that live around Lake Atitlan. We focus mostly on water projects, reforestation to ensure long-term water access, as well as high-quality water treatment, and some focus on local economic development. In particular, WellKind focuses on the intersection of ecological diversity and natural resources like potable water. We not only work with water projects to ensure access to clean, healthy drinking water, but we ensure long-term certainty and access through reforestation of municipal springs and the general watershed of the area. During your time down here, you have a lot to look forward to. We're going to be working high in the Altiplano at the top of the watershed with a small school in the community of Pajomel. The community is 100% indigenous Cachiquel Maya, and their school really does need some work. We're going to be working to ensure that the bathrooms work, that the kitchen works, that they have full pressure and clean water to serve their kitchen and all of their students' needs. That, along with learning more about WellKind's reforestation efforts and their treatment of dirty water using biological resources, will round out a high-impact experience. But it won't all be work in the communities. You'll have plenty of time to explore the surrounding area and get involved in some outdoor adventure. Beyond that, you'll be staying at the amazing Bamboo Guest House, which is a natural building that's a great example of sustainable living. Enjoy delicious food and have a great time while you're doing it. More than anything else, we just wanted to take the time to thank you for your support of our communities. Your efforts preparing for this trip go a long way. We're really looking forward to getting to know all of you, to having you meet the community, and to showing you the impact that you're having from afar and on your trip down here. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.